Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Today I am back with SSC CGL Tier 2 Examination 2019-20 Mensuration questions asked. So let us begin the session. Here the question first is, if the surface area of a sphere is 1386 square centimeter, then its volume is. पूछा गया है कि यदि एक गोले का सरफेस एरिया 1386 वर्ग सेंटीमीटर है तो इसका वॉल्यूम क्या होगा। सरफेस एरिया, this is our sphere, and in the sphere surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, and this the value of 4 pi r square is equal to 1386 square centimeter. Now we can write it 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equal to 1386. Now we can cut this 22 by 11 two times, and we can cut it by 11 1 ja 11, left over 1. So 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, and 11 6 ja 66. So we can cut it 126 times. Now by this 2 we can cut it 2 6 ja 12 and 2 6 ja 3. Now r square is equal to 63, and to this 7 in the cross multiplication on the top, and this 4 will come down like this. So r is equal to square root of 63 into 7 divided by 4 like this. Now we can write it 7 into 9 into 7 divided by 2 into 2. So we are getting the factors pair easily. 9 is 3 into 3 and 4 is 2 into 2 and 7 into 7 also there. So value of r is 7 into 3 by 2 means 21 by 2. We have find out the radius, and what we have to find out? We have to find out volume of the sphere. So volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now put the values. 4 by 3 into value of pi 22 by 7 into value of radius r 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So this 3 7 ja 21 will cut this 21, and this 2 will cut 4 2 times, and this 2 will cut 22 11 times. This 2 will cut this 2. So what is left here? 11 into 21 into 21. Now it is 11 into 21 means 441. So we will calculate it. 11 into 11 1. 11 4 ja 44 and 145 carry 4. 11 4 ja 44 plus 4 48. So it is the 4851 cubic centimeter. So this question is only formula based. इस सवाल में फॉर्मूले लगाने से ही प्रश्न हल हो जा रहा है। इस प्रकार से हम इस प्रश्न को फॉर्मूला लगा के हल कर लेंगे। पहले रेडियस निकालेंगे, रेडियस निकालने के बाद फॉर्मूला लगा के हल हो जाएगा। तो आइए दूसरा सवाल देखते हैं। Second question is, the volume of a hemisphere is 2425 1 by 2 cubic centimeter. Find its radius. So hemisphere, this is the hemisphere, and volume of hemisphere is half of the volume of the sphere. So that was 4 by 3 and half of that 2 by 3 pi r cube. And this value is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 2425 and 1 by 2 cubic centimeter. We can calculate it 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube equal to, this will be 24 to the 48 and 25 to the 50. So it will be 4851 by 2. Now by 11 we can cut this 22. 11 to the 22. 11 4 the 44. Left over 4. So 11 4 the 44. 11 1 the 11. Now r cube is equal to 441. 441 and this 3 7 the 21 will come here in the cross multiplication, and this 2 into 2, and this 2 is already available here. So we will be having here 2 into 2 into 2. Again it will be 441 is square of 21. So 21 into 21 into 21 divided by 22 into 2 into 2. So r is equal to cube root of these numbers. 21 into 21 into 21 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. Like this. So factors are in the pairs of 3, which is our requirement. So we will take out the one pair out, that is 21 by 2. So r is equal to 10.5 सेंटीमीटर. यहाँ पर हम अर्धगोले के आयत का सूत्र लगाकर इस सवाल को बड़ी आसानी से हल कर सकते हैं. सो आइए तीसरा सवाल देखते हैं. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. In the third question, it is being asked, the base of a pyramid is an equilateral triangle of side 10 meter. If the height of the pyramid is 40 root 3 meter, then the volume of the pyramid is. इसमें पूछा गया है कि एक पिरामिड का आधार इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है जिसकी भुजा 10 मीटर है और पिरामिड की हाइट 40 रूट 3 मीटर है. तो पिरामिड का वॉल्यूम क्या है? आइए देखते हैं. वॉल्यूम ऑफ पिरामिड इज इक्वल टू 1/3 area of the base into height. So 1/3 into area of the base means it's an equilateral triangle, and area of the equilateral triangle is square root 3/4 into square of the side. So side is already given 10 meter into 10 meter into height is also given 40 root 3 meter. Now we can see if we multiply this root 3 by root 3, it will become 3, and 3 is also available in the bottom. So we will cut it directly like this. And this 4 will cut this 40 10 times. So we are having the values 10 into 10 into 10 equal to 1000 cubic meter. Because here was meter, here was meter and here was also meter. So m1 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 m पावर 3. इस प्रकार से हम देख सकते हैं कि इस सवाल को फॉर्मूला लगाने से ही हल कर सकते हैं. तो आइए चौथा सवाल भी देखते हैं. In the fourth question, the curved surface area of a cylinder is 5 times the area of its base. Find the ratio of radius and height of cylinder. सिलेंडर का मतलब होता है बेलन. एक बेलन का कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया उसके आधार के वर्ग का 5 गुना है. तो बेलन की त्रिज्या और ऊंचाई का अनुपात ज्ञात कीजिए. यह पूछा गया है इसमें. तो बेलन क्या होता है? दिस इज द बेलन. सरफेस एरिया पूछा गया है, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. सो दिस इज द सिलेंडर एंड सरफेस एरिया मीन्स CSA. CSA, curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH, wherein 2 pi R is the perimeter of the base and H is the height of the cylinder. Here this is the R, radius. So in the formula, it is being said, in the question it is being said that curved surface area of a cylinder is 5 times. Means this 2 pi RH is equal to 5 times of the area of its base. Means area of the cylinder is circular and circle area is pi R square. Like this. So by pi we can cut pi, and by this R this power will be cut. So what is left here? R upon, we will bring the H in the cross multiplication to the right side, and 2 upon 5. So if we write this R ratio H equal to, we can write it R ratio H is equal to 2 ratio 5, because ratio is the value which is in the fractional form. भिन्न के रूप में होती है अनुपात की वैल्यू. तो उसको हम इस प्रकार से लिख सकते हैं और इसकी ये त्रिज्या और ऊंचाई 2:5 में आ जाएगी. So let us take the 5th question. Here it is being said the radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio 4:7 and its volume is 2816 cubic centimeter. Find its radius. एक बेलन की त्रिज्या और ऊंचाई 4:7 में है और उसका आयतन 2816 घन सेंटीमीटर है. इसकी त्रिज्या ज्ञात करें. So radius ratio height. Radius is 4 and height is 7. So once the values are in the ratio and we are taking the values separately, then we have to write here radius as 4x and height as 7x. Now the volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, because area of the base into height. Now the volume of cylinder is given 2816 cubic centimeter, and this pi is equal to 22/7 into value of r square means 4 4 जा 16 x square into height. Height is 7x. By this 7 will be cut. And by 11 twos are 22 and 11 twos are 22, left over 6 including 1 61. So 11 fives are 55, left over 6 taking 6 66. So 11 6s are 66. Now by this 2 it will be cut 1 to 8 times, and by this 16 it will be cut by 8 times. So this value 8 is equal to x square into x, means x cube. So x is equal to cube root of 8, 2. So the value of x is find out. Now we can find out radius. Radius is equal to 4x. So 4 into 2 equal to 8 centimeter is the right answer. यहाँ पर हमने फॉर्मूला बेस्ड सवाल को निकाला है, लेकिन हमको वैल्यूज़ को लिखते वक्त ध्यान रखना है, अगर ये हमारे रेशियो में वैल्यूज़ हैं तो हमको अलग से 4x 7x के रूप में लिखना है, क्योंकि जब हम रेशियो लिखते हैं तो x जो देखा है हमने एक वेरिएबल, वो वेरिएबल से वेरिएबल कट जाता है फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में, बट सेपरेटली वी हैव टू मेंशन इट. So we will take some more questions. So let us see. Next question is, what would be the area of a square whose diagonal measures 28 centimeters? Here, square means this is the shape having all the sides equal. All the sides equal. And diagonal means this is the measurement given 28 centimeter. Now we are knowing that area of square is equal to side into side. So A into A means A square. Now if we see the figure by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, which is already given as a diagonal, is given 28 centimeter. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to this side square plus this side square. So this height is already given as 28 into 28, and here it will become 2a square. So a square will be equal to 14 into 28, and we can write it 14 into 14 into 2 equal to a square. So 14 into 14 196 into 2 equal to a square. So 2 6 ja 12, carry 1, 2 9 ja 18, plus 1 19, carry 1, 2 1 ja 2, plus 1 3. 392 square centimeter is the area of the square. Here we are knowing that the area of the square is side into side, but we should also remember that area of the square is equal to half of the square of the diagonal. we can see this thing here. Once 2a square is equal to d square, then a square will be equal to 1 by 2 into square of the diagonal. So this is the important formula which can be remembered for the fast calculation. This way also we can calculate, but if we calculate using this formula, then it becomes more easy. A square is equal to 1 by 2 into 28 into 28. This 2 will cut 28 14 times, and we can write 28 2 into 14. 114 is already there. So 2 into 196 equal to 392 square centimeter. That way we can calculate this question. And this question is oftenly asked in the competitive examination of SSC CGL as well as in the banking examination also. So this formula is highly important here. Area of square is equal to 1 by 2 into square of the diagonal. So let us see the next question. आइए दूसरा सवाल भी देखते हैं. The area of a circle is equal to the area of a rectangle with perimeter equal to 35 meter. Area of a circle. Area of the circle area of circle is equal to area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle with perimeter means perimeter of rectangle is given equal to 35 meter, and breadth means breadth of rectangle is equal to 5.5 meter. What is the area of the circle? Here area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice of length and breadth. So perimeter is given to us 35 meter equal to twice of length plus breadth is also given 5.5. Here this 2 will cut here 17.5 times. So 17.5 minus 5.5 equal to 12 meter is the length of the rectangle. It is 12 and this breadth is 5.5 meter. So the area of circle is equal to the area of the rectangle. So it's very easy. Now here we can put the values. Area of rectangle is equal to 12 into 5.5. 5.5 means we can write it 11 by 2. So 2 6 ja 12 and 11 6 ja 66. So it will be 66 square meter. Area of circle is equal to 66 square meter. That way we can calculate. इस प्रकार से हम ऐसे सवालों को फॉर्मूला लगाते हुए, सूत्र लगाते हुए सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए मैं यहाँ पर कहना चाहूँगा कि मेंसुरेशन के लिए इन मोस्ट ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस आर ओनली फॉर्मूला बेस्ड. So it is better to remember the formulas and practice them by writing them again and again. So thanks for the day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being with us.